Either I went ahead to the brand. If you are shortlisted via the Google form that you have filled up, they will send you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas 2024. So in today's video, we will be talking about how do YouTube collaboration work. So this is subjective question as in कि मैं बहुत ही like I am the micro creator. Also I can tell you out of my own experience and in today's video I will basically answer about like whether I went ahead to the brand or how or whether did the brand reach out to me. So everything regarding this stuff. So if you guys are interested, please carry on watching the video. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time and if you are seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Tripti. I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle here on this channel. So take a moment to subscribe to my channel and without any further delay now let's get quickly jump into the video. Okay, so as a micro creator, I started my YouTube journey in 2020-21. Now the collaboration thing works differently. Rather, it used to be back in 2020-21. So I used to just mention, and every creator for that matter used to mention their email address in the description box. Also at the end of your channel's about section में जो भी email IDs होता है, तो you mention the handle wherein you where you can be contacted. Okay, not the please do not put the email address by which you have created this YouTube account. So I am talking about the email address by which you can be contacted. Like for me, my channel name was initially Nature's Hub. So I had an email account named natureshub.inquiry.com that I created dedicatedly for receiving any stuffs, any queries related to YouTube, that too from the brand sections and the agencies to contact me. So like everyone do, I have also mentioned that. So I started getting this kind of mails from the brands itself, not directly from the brands, but you get it via the agencies. So they will ask you that these are the ongoing collaboration happening and you are shortlisted for participating here and here, XYZ brand. So are you interested? If you are, then we will send you the PRs you receive as in product. So as a micro creator, you will be receiving first only in a for PRs in a form of for the barter collaboration. So how does barter collaboration works, and before that, what is barter collaboration? So if you search like barter means in exchange of. So what they give you is that product in terms की तुमको उनके लिए एक content you have to film. So I used to incorporate in the long form of videos. ऐसे मैंने बहुत सारे barter collaboration करके रखा है, and these are not at all paid. Simple barter means these are not paid. They give you as in gifts and you show them in your videos. So that's how barter collaboration works. Now that I have quite gathered experience in this field, I do paid collaboration as well. Also the paid is very nominal, minimal हो जाता है क्योंकि I do not have that, as in I'm a micro creator, so that paid thing is very nominal. But yeah, you do get paid collaboration. Also you can really talk to the agencies for whether you want it to be paid or you want it to be bartered. There is a lot of problem regarding barter collaboration over the period of time is that certain brands are so harsh that they just send you and ask to put the content within 2 days. Sometimes it happens that 2 दिन में long form of content I'm talking about film करना बहुत ही difficult हो जाता है. Then you have to make it sure that you get a green signal before uploading it. मतलब कि तुमको the unlisted video you have to send to the agencies, they will send to the brand for getting approvals. And also sometimes what they do is there are few brands who just send you the products and tell you that whenever you wish and whatever way you wish, you can show it to your audience. We do not have any expectation. And there are few brands who gives you even the briefs and everything. It's controlled by them. It's not your content. Something they will give you a kind of a script. It comes in. So I will show you some and how it works and what are the brands I work with. You will be seeing in this video itself. So they could give you a brief and they ask you to do it very much accordingly. Then you have to give it for the approval, and this is how the collaboration things work. Okay, so right now whatever I told, it's used to be in 2020-21. Now what really changed now is that now they do not want to incorporate in the long form of videos, as in ki short forms of videos ज़्यादा चलता है, तो they will give you the PRs to show in the short form of videos. Also there are brands, different brands के लिए different, लेकिन micro creators के लिए ज़्यादातर अभी they collab for the short and the reels. These are really changed. And next thing is change is that previously barter collaboration हर कोई करता था. अभी there are very few micro creators who do barter collaboration because there is a lot of mehnat and you are being very much underpaid for that matter. So barter collaboration के लिए अभी micro creators भी बहुत कम हो गए because they reject this type of collaboration for being they are very much underpaid for the matter. So yeah, this is the thing. And also the thing is that these days, this due to the various agencies and these PRs regarding stuffs and collaboration became so seamless because of various agencies came. Otherwise back in the days it happened to be just brand and your talk. So there lot of miscommunications भी होता था and brands तुमको सही से नहीं बोलता था कि ऐसे करो, and while you have sent the unlisted video, they will ask for so many changes which they didn't mention earlier. So बहुत ही mess up situation होता था, but now it's very seamless because they have these agencies via which we are being connected. So this process is seamless now. Though there are a lot of agency जो लोग fraud भी करते हैं और creators के पैसे भी रोक लेते हैं, but touch wood मेरे साथ अभी ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. Also I did very small amount of paid collaboration for YouTube, so yeah, that I never faced anything such as. So but yeah, otherwise also if I'm working as an intern with the brands, they are very much brand and you, like there is no middleman, so that works really great. And तुमको payments भी बहुत ही like seamlessly मिल जाता है because there is no middleman, and also you are just working with as an intern, so you are very much recognized as, so easily it becomes. But as in तुम creator अगर काम कर रहे हो तो you have to go through the agencies and agencies will contact you. And another thing that changed over the period of time is that nowadays you can pitch and you can tell to the brands that these are the brands like XYZ brands you have already worked with, and you are showing them your work. By showing them your work, they can collaborate you. So nowadays you can just mail the brands or DM the brands for that matter and tell them that you are willing to collaborate with them by showing some of your works previously that you have worked with various brands, and they do consider and they collaborate with you. So another thing for the Insta collabs you can do is that every like for the I think Mars Cosmetics या फिर Swiss Beauty, बहुत सारे ऐसे brands है, अगर तुम उन लोगों के साथ collab करना चाहते हो, you get there this Google form in the bio section. So bio section में ये लोग Google form अपना mention करता है where you can put your channel ID, put your previous work and also your address and everything. And if you are shortlisted via the Google form that you have filled up, they will send you, and you will be very much aware of the fact that they are sending you. And if they want as in कि तुम उसको show भी करो अपने channel में या फिर अपने page में, they will very much tell you that which are the products that you mandatorily you have to show. Not all you have to show, they give you as in gifts also. Use them and give the feedbacks and also to just promote as in whichever thing you like. But if they want to do a proper paid collaboration या फिर other collabs they have ongoing campaigns, they will tell you accordingly. So you have to do it. So this is how very much simply collaboration work. I hope I could tell you, inform you very much inside in a very simple way possible. So yeah, that was my experience and how I used to get collaboration. And now तो I have agencies, अभी mail भी उतना check नहीं करना पड़ता है क्योंकि I get through my phone itself, WhatsApp groups भी है, via that I get collaboration. And if I feel like I want to, nowadays I don't do that much of barters. मुझे लगता है कि I have to up game my this thing, because barter के लिए you are not being paid. So yeah, of course you have to wish, you have choice now, as in I'm getting choice now. So I think that sometimes barter collaboration gets really hectic and crazy one, because not all agencies and brands are same. Sometimes they do not really aware you, but till now I do not have any complaints. But yeah, that is something I decided. Now I'm getting choice, so I can decide. Previously मेरे पास कोई भी choice नहीं था. Whatever collaboration I used to get, हाँ obviously I used to see the background as well. वो background check करके ही मैं approve करती थी कि मुझे करना है या नहीं करना. But anyways, now I have choice, so I can do. So that were pretty much of the inside. I hope you like this video. I hope it was a little bit of helpful. And yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you guys tomorrow with a brand new episode. So till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.